Hi guys, welcome back to the Filme YouTube channel. It's Zach here, and I have a question for you today. Do you think that you can make a short film using just 3 shots? Well, I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that today. You can film yourself and make a full short-length film using just 3 shots using Filme. Let's go. All right, first up, we need to get those 3 shots of videos. Step 1, take a shot of you sitting and drinking water. Step 2, shoot the water bottle falling from your hand. And finally, step 3, shoot yourself going forward for the water bottle in the foreground. All right, and now it's time to edit. So open up Filme and import your media. Import the 3 clips to the timeline. Add a darker tone filter for all 3 clips, such as fall. Select the second clip and then slow it down by half or 50%. Add a fade transition between the second video material and the third video material. Click to select the third video material to cut. Add fade transitions between the 2 video clips after cutting it. So then it's time to add some background music, such as nostalgic piano in your audio. You can also add your favorite background material using files that you have on your computer. If you want to learn more about how to find royalty-free calm music across the internet, you can watch our previous video about royalty-free calm music. And then add your favorite text template. This time I chose the bottom subtitle 6 and I entered the text, "I am lucky this life to meet you. I am not so lucky and you will become a passerby." And if you want to get really creative, you can even make your own audio recording. All you have to do is click the recording tool, select microphone, and then record. That easy. The last step is to check and export your video. So first off, check if your entire video is okay, and once it's done, click the export button and select the desired file format. Ta-da! Your video is done. It's so easy. Now you can upload your video on your computer or export it to over 10 supported devices. You can also share your video on social media platforms directly, let's say YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and so on. Stun your fans, family, and friends with your amazing and very quickly made video. That's it for today's video, guys. So I would really encourage you guys not to hesitate to make these kind of silly or cinematic or fun videos. The only way to get better at making videos and editing videos is to keep making more. So, pick up some fun side projects, just make some fun little videos and share them around, see what people think, and show people how good you are at editing videos now. All right, so if you guys like this video, if you think it was fun, if you have any comments or suggestions, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. You guys know it already. I love reading your comments, so please leave me one. I hope I earned your subscription and your like in today's video, guys, and I will see you next week.